Welcome to Tech Logics. Today, we'll walk you through the detailed process of installing the SIM card and micro SD card in the Ezviz HB8 4G battery-powered outdoor camera. Proper installation is crucial for ensuring your camera operates smoothly and has full connectivity and storage capabilities. We'll cover each step carefully, from opening the device to inserting the cards correctly, so you can set up your camera with confidence. First, we'll show you how to safely access the SIM and microSD card compartments. You'll learn the best way to open the camera's casing, using the right tools and techniques to avoid any damage. Once open, we'll identify the slots and guide you through the process of inserting the SIM card and microSD card in the correct orientation, making sure they are securely seated for reliable performance. Finally, after inserting the cards, we'll demonstrate how to close the device properly and power it on. We'll also share tips on verifying that the SIM and memory cards are recognized by the camera, so you can start monitoring right away. Follow along with this easy-to-understand tutorial, and you'll have your Ezviz HB8 fully set up in no time. Let's get started. The first step is to make sure the camera is powered off before inserting or ejecting any cards. This is crucial to prevent potential damage to the device and the cards themselves. Powering down the camera ensures a safe environment for handling the components and helps avoid connection issues later on. Next, locate the card slots at the bottom of the rotating lens assembly. These slots are designed to be easily accessible for installation and removal. To get a clear view, gently lift the camera lens upward, which reveals the internal section where the cards are inserted. Take your time with this step to be careful and avoid any accidental damage. After lifting the lens, you'll see a protective cap covering the card slots. Carefully remove this cap, holding it steady to prevent any parts from dropping or breaking. This step is important because the cap shields the slots from dust and moisture, maintaining the integrity of the connection points. Note: use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws securing the protective case. With the cap removed, you'll notice two slots. The top slot is for your microSD card, and the bottom slot is for your SIM card. Icons or labels next to each slot help identify their purpose and orientation, making it straightforward to insert each card correctly. Ensure that the cards are oriented as indicated before pressing them gently into place. Now, let's focus on inserting the microSD card. It's important to use a high-quality card, as the Ezviz HB8 supports microSD capacities up to 512 GB. This large storage option provides ample space for continuous recording or extended footage, making it ideal for both residential and commercial surveillance applications. When inserting the microSD card, ensure it fits snugly into the designated slot. Gently push the card in until you hear or feel a click, confirming that it's securely positioned. This proper insertion helps prevent any connection issues and ensures reliable data storage. If you need to remove the card later, just press gently again, and it will pop out easily. Next, let's talk about the recording capacity. A 512 GB microSD card can potentially store around 10 to 15 days of footage, depending on your recording settings. Factors such as video quality, resolution, frame rate, and whether you're using continuous or motion-triggered recording modes will influence the actual storage duration. Understanding these parameters can help you plan your storage needs more effectively. Now, let's focus on the SIM card. The SIM card slot is conveniently located below the microSD card slot. When inserting the SIM, make sure to align it correctly with the indicated orientation, which is usually marked on the slot or shown in the video. Proper placement ensures good connectivity and helps avoid potential issues with device recognition or signal strength. Once both the SIM card and microSD card are securely inserted, you can replace the protective cover. Carefully position the cover back onto the camera, making sure it fits snugly over the slots. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to fasten the screws and firmly secure the case, protecting the cards from dust, moisture, and accidental dislodging. Finally, when everything is assembled and secured, power on your camera. You can now proceed with configuring the device according to your needs. For more in-depth guidance on the settings and features of your camera, be sure to check out the other videos in this series. They offer detailed explanations to help you maximize your device's capabilities and customize it according to your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, we'd really appreciate your support. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions help us create more valuable content and continue providing helpful resources for our community. Every bit of support makes a difference, and we're grateful to have you as part of our audience. Thank you for watching.